Namaste, my name is Rahul Bit. I am one of the founders of Live Leaders. It is a startup company. We are going to launch our platform in this December 2021. Our platform or our objective is to create a live selling platform where people can sell their product and services live in front of their customers. It will be a two-way communication where customers can see the product and the sellers can show the product live, and with that they can the sellers can explain the products well, and there will be a transparency for the buyers that they are seeing the product and then they are buying the product. So it is a totally live platform, and same thing goes to services. Whatever people what anything what people will be providing in terms of services, that will be also live. People will be able to see them and use their services. The second point is negotiation. In our platform there is a feature of negotiation where our customers or buyers can negotiate with the sellers live for best and for affordable price. They can negotiate. Second, for example, I am a cap seller or a trouser seller. How our customers can know that I am the seller? Anybody, anything, if they type any product in the search bar, they will be getting a list of sellers selling those products, and at what point of time they are coming on live to sell the product. It will be just like searching. If buyers search anything, they will be getting a list of sellers, those who are coming to sell at what point of time, and anything related with the profile. The third point is we are giving a segmentation, targeting, and positioning feature to our sellers so that they can target, they can position, and they can segment their product and businesses well, so that they can connect with the right buyer at the right point of time. So we are providing an inbuilt segmentation, targeting, and positioning feature for our sellers. There is also a social media platform which is there in the application. As anybody who is buying the product is posting the photo or comments, that comment will be directly tagged to the seller, and the buyer can like express the experience or the buying experience of the product. And also the buyer can express about like feedback about the product and about the services and about the communication and about anything related to the seller. This will help to help the business to grow as a brand, and as we all know that customers makes the brand. So in this, the customers will be involved in the brand building process of the sellers, those who are selling the product or from whom they are buying the product. It's all in customers hand. Next point is, in this platform we are targeting our small, micro, and medium businesses. This platform is for small, micro, and medium businesses so that they can become a brand. How? By creating visibility. How? As like nowadays, whenever you open any applications, you will be going through, like you will be seeing advertisements of big companies, Nike, Adidas. We already know those companies, but in our application, whenever people will use our application, they will be able to see the brands of SMEs, like small, micro, and medium businesses. Our main objective is to create brands out of small, medium, and micro businesses. This is in small about our business. Second is our segmentation. Previously, the segmentation, targeting, and positioning, we are providing that to our sellers. At this point of time, our segments are businesses run by women for women empowerment. Second is businesses run by men, small, medium, and micro businesses. Then the third point is businesses run by Kashmiris. As we all know, Kashmir is a disturbed place. There are people own, like they are not comfortable doing business every day. Some strikes or something are happening. So we want them also to become a brand, because we feel, according to our research, we feel that half of the things or half of the problems will be solved if maximum of the people start earning money or making money. In this platform, it can be used from a phone, and they can sell from anywhere any product that they want to sell. They need to have their GST number and they can sell. And and another objective of ours to like launch our platform in Kashmir, is in Srinagar, is to reduce stone pelting, because according to our research, maximum of the people are student, or the individuals are student or young people. So we think that some of the people might got distracted, so we want to give them income. With the help of like our app, they can sell anything, they can make their self brand, and like they can come back to the right path. The fourth is transgenders. Government has done each and everything for transgenders, but in our society we see those transgenders doing some odd jobs. Why they will do odd jobs? In this platform they can show themselves, they can showcase themselves to the buyers, to the customers, and they can sell their products or services live and create an impact in the people's mindset. So this platform is for them as well. And the fifth segment is organic farming. Organic farming, according to our, like, we want to solve the bridge the gap between the sellers of organic farming products and the buyers, because the seller don't know who is the buyer and the buyer don't know who is the seller, but there is a huge demand of organic products. So we want to reduce the gap between the sellers and the buyers. So these details are in very brief, like in a gist. I told about this, about our businesses and the markets in which we are going to focus. Is like initially we want to start is Delhi, Bangalore, Srinagar, Kolkata, and Dehradun. These five cities we are going to launch. So like we want investment, that's why I am making the video. I hope that I have made like my business intentions and the business model clear. If anybody feel interested, like with the idea, please feel free to connect with us. It will be, and your every effort will be counted. So thank you. And like if it convinced you, then please reach us. Thank you so much. Take care. Jai Hind.